Hi everyone, my name is Amalie. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily set up a sample dilution protocol using the flowbot one. The first thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to set up my protocol using the software.
Now we're in the software and I'm going to show you how you can easily set up your dilution. So for this purpose, I'm going to choose this feature here. I'm going to do a plate-to-plate assay. So as you can see, the program here guides me through my steps. So the first thing is to set up my components. So that's going to be my tips. The next step is to identify where my samples are located. And then identify the target. Next up, I'm going to decide where my diluent is. And then I'm going to set the properties of my pipetting. So as you can see here, there are some different tabs. The first one is to decide the properties of the diluent. So here I can choose if I want to dispense the diluent first or the samples first. I can also decide if I want to use the same volume, so a 10-fold dilution, for example, or if I want to do individual dilution factors. So here I can type them in manually, or I can upload a CSV file. Another thing I can decide is my tip use. So for example, if I want to reuse the tips for the diluent, I can do that. Then I can set the pipetting properties for both the diluent and the sample. So there are some different options. For aspiration and dispense, I can set if it should aspirate relative to liquid or relative to the bottom of my wells. I can also add mixing steps. Good, so that's it. I'm going to go ahead and save my program and we're going to let the flowbot do the rest.
Everything is now ready and I'm going to go ahead and press run.